coffee stains in his pickup truck, praying for an inch of rain. If it don't come down, he won't complain. He's tired and sweaty from the southern sun, only goes to bed when his work is done. Plows his fields and grows his plants. He's gonna feed the world if God gives him a chance. Some call it a gamble, some call it a game, some call it pride, some call it pain. He's confident on his big green deer. What I can't see now will soon be here. He'll trust God and work his land, 'cause faith and farming go hand in hand. Sitting up in bed 'cause he can't sleep. That weatherman says there's hell and it's headed east. Whirling thoughts blowing through his head. His dreams in the ditch and his crops are dead. Oh, oh, the thunder booms and the tears rain down. He's yelling out loud and not making a sound. Wakes up again to go replant. He's gonna feed the world if God will give him a chance. Some call it a gamble, some call it a game, some call it pride, some call it pain. He's confident on his big green deer. What he can't see now will soon be here. He'll trust God and work his land, 'cause faith and farming go hand in hand. $1,000,000 and a suit just don't fit. Farming runs in his blood, no, he won't quit. There's dirt and sweat on his blue collar, from the ups and downs it takes to make a dollar. He's confident on his big green deer. What he can't see now will soon be here. He'll trust God and work his land. Some call it a gamble, some call it a game, some call it pride, some call it pain. He's confident on his big green deer. What he can't see now will soon be here. He'll trust God and work his land, 'cause faith and farming go hand in hand. Faith and farming go hand in hand. Faith and farming go hand in hand.
You get up every morning before the sun comes up, toss a lunchbox into a pickup truck. A long, hard day sure ain't much fun, but you gotta get it started if you wanna get it done. Set your mind and roll up your sleeves. You're working on a working man's PhD. With your heart in your hands and the sweat on your morale, you build the things that really make the world go around. If it works, if it runs, if it lasts for years, you can bet your bottom dollar it was made right here. With pride, honor, and dignity, from a man with the working man's PhD. Now there ain't no shame in a job well done, from driving a nail to driving a truck. As a matter of fact, I'd like to set things straight. A few more people should be pulling their weight. And if you want a cram course in reality, you get yourself a working man's PhD. the world